Guys, and welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm super excited. I found some amazing lip product at the store and I just thought, why not share with you guys? I've demoed this for a couple weeks now and they work amazing. So let's get to it. The first thing is we're gonna talk about the matte. So it's the Stay Matte by Rimmel. This is the color that's on my lip right now and it is beautiful. And look, no smudging at all. I've been wearing this for a couple hours and it looks as if I put it on this morning. Now the color that I'm wearing that's really gorgeous, and I think this would be so pretty with a cocktail dress. You can see already with black and white how pretty it is. This color is called Heartbeat, and I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys and show you what it looks like. One thing about the matte is it does take a minute. Once you apply it on, leave it on your lip for a good 1 minute. Once it's completely dry, no smudging. I've done it the first time and I wasn't prepared. I've never wore it before, so I drank coffee and it smudged just a tiny little bit, nothing that would drive me crazy. So the Stay Matte comes in so many beautiful color. I went for these brighter color. Then I went back and actually got some nude because it actually was such a beautiful color to wear every day. I then also moved over to the Stay Satin because it has a little bit of a shine to it, but yet it claims that it's gonna stay on all day, and I demo it and it was beautiful. The only thing I would say is this takes a little bit longer for it to dry onto your lip before you can start eating or drink anything. But once it dry, it should last you a good couple hours. Because it does have a shine in it, it did smudge off a little bit faster compared to the matte. So between the two, I highly recommend the matte if you've never wore matte lipstick before, because that was me. I've never wore matte lipstick and I was kind of really nervous to try it. I was actually really scared that it was gonna super dry out my lip. And for someone who has never worn lipstick that often besides for pictures or for an event, I didn't want something sitting on my lip and feeling heavy. And I was so shocked with this product. I mean, for under $5, what an amazing product. It applies on so smooth, it's really creamy and buttery. And then when it does dry, it doesn't even feel heavy. And the fact that it doesn't smudge, and I have 3 kids and they're always in my face, I just love it and I thought I'd share with you guys. So go out there, give it a try. So I'm gonna swatch a couple of the colors. So this one is my favorite, which is Heartbeat. And it applies on so smooth. Look at this. Look at the pigment on that. Is that not gorgeous? Now this is in the matte, and if I were to apply that same color, which is called For Sure in the satin, the little shine does make a little different look. And as you can see, even the matte, it did come on with a tiny little bit of shine, but then it dries off, and once it dries, it's perfectly matte. For the satin, it does take a little bit longer until it dries on your lip, but once it does, it should last pretty good. Because of the shine, I didn't care that it smudged a little bit after an hour or so, but the nude is so beautiful. This is the one I wear every day. Now this one is called Psych. Look how pretty this is. How gorgeous. And then I'm gonna show you in that same color, but in the matte. It almost look a little bit different, huh? Overall, it applies on so smooth. It's very moisturizing in my opinion. If you feel like you don't like matte lipstick, you don't like how it feels, that it's a little dry, what I would recommend is put a little bit of Vaseline on your lip first. Let the Vaseline kind of just absorb to your lip, then I blot it off, then I put the matte lipstick on, and it does stay on all day. I've tested the matte lipstick and the satin. Satin lasts me a good 2 to 3 hours before it starts to smudge and then dissolve on its own. For the matte lipstick, it lasts me 5 hours before I have to put the application on. So for under $5, I highly recommend for you guys to go out there and just give it a try. Why not? It's such a beautiful color, such a good formula, and for under $5, you can't go wrong. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.